The cycling of matter through an ecosystem. Matter, like energy, moves through an ecosystem. However, instead of flowing through, it moves in cycles. As matter moves through an ecosystem, it simply changes form. The matter is not created or destroyed. It changes from one form to another, and this is called the conservation of matter. Important materials that cycle through an environment are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and water. The carbon cycle explains how carbon atoms travel from the atmosphere to organisms on Earth and back. Here you can see the carbon cycle. So we have carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that can be used in photosynthesis to produce carbohydrates. Plants can eat that then, and then carbon dioxide is released again into the atmosphere. We also have carbon in dead and decaying matter. And that carbon can be released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned. The oxygen cycle explains how oxygen atoms travel from the atmosphere to organisms on Earth and back again. So here we have the oxygen cycle and the way that oxygen can cycle through the environment, through the atmosphere, and back on Earth. Nitrogen cycle explains how nitrogen atoms travel from the atmosphere to organisms on Earth and back again. And here we have the nitrogen cycle, and you can see how nitrogen can cycle through the atmosphere, back to Earth and the environment, and also through animals. The water cycle explains how water compounds travel from the atmosphere to the Earth and back again. And here we have the water cycle. You can see how it cycles through things like condensation, transpiration, precipitation, disposition, evaporation, and runoff. Carbon atoms, oxygen atoms, nitrogen atoms, and water compounds cycle through the atmosphere, Earth, and other organisms. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.